Hello homeowners, in this short video I'm going to show you how to find the model number for your fridge. I'm Garrick. I run my appliance repair business here in Calgary. On my YouTube channel, I give viewers like you some practical advice about home appliances, so please consider subscribing. First of all, why would you need a model number of your appliance? The answer is simple: in order to find the right part. When Techvill Appliance clients call us, we always ask them the model number. The model number helps us to identify if a technician has the part with him or he needs to go and pick up some specific part. Now, where you can find the model number of your fridge, it's very simple. Open up the fridge compartment door and you'll be able to find up the sticker either on the left or on the right hand side on the wall. The label with the model number may look like that, or like that, or even like that.
Just when getting the model number for Samsungs, sometimes you always got to keep in mind that they will sometimes need the revision model number. So down here it'll say the model number, but they'll also sometimes need this revision, which is a \AA at the end of the number for this particular model.
Let me know if you were not able to find the model number of your appliance, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. Smash the like, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.